Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fikro Khabar. You are watching Islamic World. Palestine accuses US Pompeo of anti-Semitism. International law considers all Israeli settlement building in West Bank as illegal. Israel cancels Jordan Valley meeting amid ICC probe. In September, Netanyahu said he will annex Jordan Valley if re-elected. Israeli court orders Jewish settlers to evacuate home. Court tells settlers to leave within 45 days as Israeli firm did not legally buy homes for original Palestinian owners. Israel re-extended Gaza fishing zone. Zone has been reduced last week after rocket fired from Gaza towards Israel. Trump administration against Turkey's sanctions report. Behind scene, White House may be pushing back against sanctioning Turkey over Russian arm deal. Syrian regime and allies capture 35 residential areas in Idlib. Assad regime captures residential areas in Idlib de-escalation zone by disregarding Astana deals. Russian airstrikes kill 8 civilians in Syria's Idlib. 5 children were among victims. Syria attacks forces 215,000 to flee Idlib in 2 months. Majority of civilians fleeing civil war-weary region head to areas near Turkish border, creating new refugee influx. Yemen rebels hold talks with Iranian Yafim in Oman. Saudi Arabia and its allies accuse Houthis of being a proxy to Iran. Prospects bleak for ceasefire deal in Yemen. Deal signed in Sweden last year never fully implemented. South Africans protest against India's citizenship law. Head of Johannesburg-based Adosi group appealed to ruling ANC to break its silence on India's atrocities and killings. OIC wing condemns violence against protesters in India. Group's Independent Permanent Human Rights Commission says citizenship law is biased, discriminatory and diversionary act. You can find latest and lot more on fikrokhbar.com/English.